Alright guys, this is Mike's Rough End Studios, and we're going to be catching a train, and we got the Train Seekers. Be sure to go subscribe to them. And we got a Georgia Heritage unit coming down on Mill Bottom Road. So we're going to watch this train come by, and we're going to see how it is. Yep, I hear the train. Oh, there it is, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this. Oh, dude, I see it. It's been like a while since I've seen a train. Oh, there it is. I see it. There it is. All right. All right, here it comes, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's go. At 3376, load coal in Mount Airy, Maryland. Wow, this is awesome. Wow, these things are massive. It's been a while since I've seen these things up close, dude. This is awesome. Got those tubby graffitis. On starting my channel, I actually did saw these. Got more tubby graffitis. Wow, that was like a loud screech. By the way, that was our first ever heritage unit we ever caught here in Mount Airy, Maryland, guys. Train Seekers are here, so be sure to click that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and this is going to be an absolute awesome time, and this video is going to be awesome for you guys. The train really is going slow. Let's go. Oh, let's go again. 2020 DC. Oh, look at those coal stains. I forgot to mention those. I think all those are going to be appearing in all those freight cars. So yeah, inside these cars, there's a little coal. Like in that one, you can see the humps of coal in there. Wait a minute, that's like I hear some more engines inside the train. I hear some trains going by. Got ham. Oh, that's Batman reference. That you can see that on that freight car. I don't know if you guys saw that. She ever. You saw that on the graffiti right there. This train is going to be long, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it real quick. But maybe until when we hit a few other cars left in the train, then I'm going to go ahead and pause it real quick and dude, this train is about to be very awesome. Just to see this. This is awesome. Alright, I'm going to go and pause it right here so that we can get some more storage. But remember, this is the Train Seekers. This is Mike's Fan Studios. Be sure to watch till the end. Oh, looks like we got another locomotive. The other locomotive looks like it's 3364. I can see it on the... Oh, that's the end of the train, by the way. We'll have to probably stand back because this is going to be loud. And yeah, I was right, 3364. That is the number of the engine.